Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can find your QR code in Instagram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. And let's get started. And now I will show you how you can easily find and create a similar QR code. So first of all, please open your Instagram. Further, you will have to go to your page. After that, in order to find a QR code, click just one button right here. This will take you to your QR code, which will lead to your page. And the first thing you can do with it is to modify it. At the top in the middle, click on the button. And this is where you can choose what you want your background to be, your selfies. If you want to take selfies, then you'll need to click down here, take your selfies, and then you'll have it in the background. Also friends, you can choose some color just for the background. To change it, click on the color screen. You can also choose any emoji you like by clicking on the emoji screen. And select the one you like. Once you have selected an emoji, in order to save all your changes, you can just exit. So as you can see, the changes are saved immediately. What else can you do with your QR code? For example, you can click share, so you can send your QR code to whoever you'd like to do it to. And you can save it to your gallery. To do this, you need to take a screenshot. Press the power button, also the top sound button. To make such a screenshot, you can click on it at once to crop it a little bit. For example, to the size of the QR code itself. As you like, after which at the top, click Done. And save it in the photo. And now friends, if you go to your gallery, you'll be able to see that your QR code has been saved. Now you can easily show it to your friends to scan it and go to your Instagram. This is how you can find your QR code in the Instagram app. I really hope, friends, that this video was useful and helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments under this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.